Welcome to FinTorch. Today's topic is SAP modules. We will see different types of SAP modules and we will see especially the FICO, SAP Architecture, understanding of the SAP Architecture, and we will compare SAP ASAP methodology versus SAP Activate methodology. So without waiting further, let's start. So let me give you a brief about the SAP modules, the main modules obviously, because otherwise this video will get long. So talking about the ecosystem, as you all know that SAP is one of the leading ERP provider in the market. You must have heard the other one, which is the Oracle, but these two are the main one. And SAP follows a modular approach which helps in integration of different business functions and provide data and analytics at fingertips. Okay, so this is the ecosystem. Talking about the modules, see, SAP has divided its modules into two parts. One is the functional modules, the other one is the technical modules. So FICO, SD and HCM is your HR. These are the few of the functional modules. Like these focuses on the business process part, functional modules, and it is called functional modules. And the ABAP and basis, these are the technical modules for SAP. And if we talk about which are the most popular modules in 2025, so in functional modules, FICO, and SD, these are the top 3 modules in SAP, and these are the new rising stars. Fury, which takes care of your user experience, and Ariba, which is for your procurement. So this was a high level understanding of SAP modules. For detailed videos on each module, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification once we have all the modules. And we do have playlist, wide varieties of playlist. Go and check it out. We have AI, we have business process, we have SAP related and technology related. Go and check it out. So coming back to the SAP topic, so I would like to focus more on this SAP FICO part here because it's a trending module, as you all know. So FICO is basically used for financial accounting, and the FI is the one module in it, financial accounting, and CO is the other module, like the controlling part. So in all, FI tracks all the company's financial transaction. Okay, all the company's financial transaction, like accounts payable, receivables, like invoices and payments, then general ledger, like company wide finances, asset accounting, fixed assets and depreciations, and so on. So this is considered under financial accounting. And CO is mainly focused on the controlling part, which helps you manage internal finances and performances, like cost centers, knowing where the money is spent more, then profit centers, which business units are generating profits from your business. Then the other one is the internal orders and product costing and profitability analysis. So this is basically your controlling. And to get the details, like the T codes used in FICO, some free SAP resources, interview tips, go on to my website. This is the website. I am going to give the link in the description as well as the comment pin. Okay, so go and have a look for the free resources. understanding of the SAP architecture. So this is the main part. So SAP is based on 3-tier architecture. Okay, so this is also called as R3 system classic architecture, and these are 3 parts as you see on the left side. Basically the left side and right side are basically similar diagrams, same diagrams, only represented in a different manner. This right one is little more simpler, so that's the reason I've kept it here. So let's start with the first one. This is the database. So database layer is an like integral component of this 3-tier architecture. Like it is responsible for data storage and management. What it does, it utilizes a relational database management system, which is RDBMS, to handle requests from the application layer, this layer, and it contains other data storage mechanisms also. It's a little robust and scalable environment for handling diverse data requirements and facilitating seamless data retrieval and manipulation for this application layer. Okay, so if I want to explain this layer in a simple word, I will say what it does, it stores all the business data securely and provides data as and when it is being asked by the user. Okay, this is the most simplest thing I am explaining in simple manner. The second layer is the application layer, and the application layer has the business logic in it, and that's the reason you can see the ABAP written over here. What is ABAP? ABAP is basically a programming language for SAP. Okay, so the business logic flows here, and this is interconnected to your database and your presentation layer. So now let's understand the presentation layer. It is basically the user interface like GUI, GUI, web or Fury apps. So Fury, as I just said earlier, that Fury is one of the upcoming rising stars modules. Like it is more about UX and UI interface related part. So this is how the architecture of SAP is, and the modern SAP is built on SAP S4 HANA, a lightning fast, which is in memory database layer, like which enables real time analytics in, and it also has different platforms like the BTP, which connects apps, data and AI across cloud and hybrid deployment. So I don't worry, I will make a separate video on this specifically. It's a little wider topic, that's the reason I'm not covering it here in this basic video. Okay, so this was about the SAP architecture. Let's move on and understand the 2 different methodologies used in SAP. See, this SAP ASAP methodology is the older one. This is now being almost obsolete. People are now moving to SAP Activate methodology. This SAP ASAP methodology was used earlier for ECC. Okay, and SAP Activate methodology is used now for S4 HANA, and this was linear and waterfall approach, and SAP Activate is currently agile plus waterfall, like it's more iterative in nature. And by the way, you can visit our website also for the agile part. I am a certified Scrum product owner. Subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications, and you can just go through the playlist. I will say don't subscribe, just go through the playlist. Okay, and if you see value, then only subscribe. I have made the playlist like that, which will deliver value to people who are in finance technology intersection. Okay, and people who are wanting to learn agile practices, right? Go and see it. So coming back to this topic, so ASAP methodology is mainly for on-premise SAP projects, and Activate methodology is designed for SAP S4 HANA cloud hybrid projects. Okay, so then ASAP methodology is less adaptable to rapid change, and as I explained earlier, this Activate methodology is built for change and continuous updates. So in short, if I want to summarize it, what I will say is like ASAP is like traditional, blueprint driven, on premise, and less flexible, whereas Activate is modern, agile, best practices it follows, and it supports cloud, SAP S4 HANA, and rapid innovation. And apart from this, SAP Activate methodology delivers some value proposition. So these are the few standard value proposition which are derived from the using this methodology, which is like 40% reduction in TCO, total cost of ownership, 50% reduction in consulting fees, okay, then 50% decrease in project cost, and approximately 60% decrease in time to business value. So these are the benefits of using SAP Activate methodology. So this was a quick video about explaining different crucial parts of SAP, like the architecture, the important modules, and these two methodologies. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing my channel so that you can get the notification, and just go and have a look towards the playlist, the videos I have made, right? Okay, so then let's see in the next video. Have a good day. Thanks.